Alright, this is a drive shaft and a bearing for the seal carrier from a 1993 Sea-Doo GTX. And this Sea-Doo was owned by a couple of idiots that painted it red. Folks, you gotta stop painting Sea-Doos like that. It's fucking ugly, and these machines have a very particular color scheme from the 90s, and you do something like this, it completely ruins it. Anyways, that's a whole other story. But anyways, these couple of geniuses here, they basically never greased this and went dry. Basically, this shaft is supposed to slide out of that bearing, but they're fused together. I do have a bunch of parts for this GTX here, and I think I'm going to try and put this one back together. See if I can get it running. There's a bunch of things wrong with this. You know, here's the engine. Someone didn't winterize this properly and cracked the water jacket. And all the head bolts for this are missing as well. Just a bunch of stuff like that. Like the starter motor doesn't work real good. I rebuilt the carb. But anyways, back to the point. I'm trying to get this off. Seems to be working. There we go. Should have tried that a long time ago. There we go. Wow. Does that ever work quick? Jesus, I don't know why I didn't think of that before. There we go. Easy peasy. There we go. Alright, we can see this is pretty screwed up here. You can see inside there that that bearing is just all rusted, corroded. It's pretty bad. And that's what happens when you don't grease things. The drive shaft itself is in pretty rough shape as well. This part looks like it could be cleaned up, but the splines have been I think this thing's chewed up a few rocks. You can see the splines are not the greatest. Kind of got a bit of a look at it straight on. Not exactly pretty chewed up, but you know, I put it. It does go into this pump. It does kind of rattles around a little bit, but I guess the point of this is to get this this beater ski going. So we're just trying to do what we can do here. I'm not actually sure which. Alright, in true Hugh Ottawa Scotty style, we have a budget of 0 for this beater Sea-Doo project, and these aren't super expensive, but I don't want to put any money into this whatsoever. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and somehow salvage this bearing, which is a real stupid thing to do because it's pretty done, but we're going to see what we can do here. A little bit of, I'm going to let this soak in some fuel for a few hours. This is actually, this is from my wave jammer, this 50 to 1. So I'm going to leave this sit. I'm going to put this outside just for safety's sake. Leave this sit, and we'll come back to her, see how she turns out.